Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in with your school account and granting camera, microphone, and notification permissions so the app can run smoothly. Once signed in, make sure your role is set correctly as teacher or student. That controls available features. Next, navigate to the dashboard and tap the plus icon to create a class or enter a join code to enroll. After that, confirm roster sync with your LMS. Doing so now prevents access problems later and lets you move into content setup. Once your class exists, begin building lessons and assignments in sequence so students follow a clear path. You create a lesson by adding a concise title, learning objectives, and attachments like PDFs or external links. This organizes content for quick access. For assignments, set due dates, point values, and attach rubrics to standardize grading. Use templates and upload videos or slide decks to save time, and set release conditions, or prerequisites, so content appears only after learners complete prior steps. Now publish your lesson and schedule notifications so students know what's due. Watch live progress analytics to identify who needs help. When grading, use the rubric you attach to give consistent scores, return personalized feedback, and allow resubmissions when appropriate. Finally, archive or export grades to your LMS. If something goes wrong, like roster or file sync failures, refresh the app, reauthorize your account, clear the cache, and retry the upload. That sequence resolves most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.